Today, we're drawing an advanced little prince with soft, gentle colors. First, let's draw a clean outline for our little prince. You can download the outline below and follow along. Start with his golden hair. Use a bright yellow base, and we'll add deeper shades later to show the soft layers. Next, color his face, neck, and hands with a gentle peach tone. Keep his expression warm and calm. Now color his bright red scarf. Then fill his shirt with a soft green. You may add shadows or highlights later if you want to make everything look more three-dimensional. Finally, color his pants blue, his shoes warm brown, and his belt red. Take your time and keep the colors smooth. Look at our little prince, calm, bright, and full of gentle colors. When you paint with care, even small details can glow.